It's summertime, and taking care of hair in a humid, hot summer can be challenging due to the increased humidity, sweat, and exposure to the sun, which can lead to frizz, dryness, and damage. In this video, I'm going to share practical approaches to deal with your like a boss. But before diving, if you are new to this channel, make sure to be a channel subscriber and hit the notification bell to ace your masculine aspects. Let's get started. First is hydrate and moisturize. Use a deep conditioner once a week to provide extra moisture. Look for products with ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and aloe vera. Apply a leave-in conditioner to keep your hair hydrated throughout the day. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair and scalp hydrated from the inside out. Step 2. Protect from sun damage. Yes, direct sun exposure in such a blazing atmosphere is a sign of danger, not only for life, but also for your hair. Wear a hat or scarf to protect your hair from direct sunlight, which can cause dryness and color fading. If you have ever noticed the hair get rough after sun exposure, notice it next time you come back home from your high school. Use hair products that contain UV filters to shield your hair from the sun's harmful rays. Step 3. Control frizz. Use anti-frizz serums or creams to smooth your hair. Products with silicone or natural oils like argan or coconut oil can help. Minimize the use of heat styling tools, which can exacerbate frizz. If you must use them, apply a heat protectant spray first. Finish your shower with a cool water rinse to close the hair cuticle and reduce frizz. Step 4. Proper washing and drying. Use a sulfate-free shampoo to avoid stripping natural oils from your hair. Wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week to prevent overdrying. Overwashing can strip natural oils, leading to dryness. Avoid rubbing your hair with a towel. Instead, gently squeeze out excess water and use a microfiber towel or a soft cotton t-shirt to dry your hair. Step 5. Maintain a healthy scalp. It sounds weird, isn't it? Exfoliate your scalp once a week to remove dead skin cells and prevent buildup. You can use a scalp scrub or make a DIY scrub with sugar and your favorite conditioner. Regularly massage your scalp to improve blood circulation and promote healthy hair growth. Step 6. Reduce exposure to chlorine and salt water. That's an important point because we become careless in this aspect. Wet your hair and apply a leave-in conditioner or oil before swimming to create a barrier against chlorine and salt water. Rinse your hair immediately after swimming and use a clarifying shampoo once a week to remove any chemical residues. Step 7. Diet and nutrition. Ensure your diet includes plenty of vitamins and minerals that promote hair health, such as vitamins A, C, D, E, zinc, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Consider taking hair supplements if your diet lacks essential nutrients. Last step is night care. Sleep on silk or satin pillowcases to reduce friction and prevent breakage and frizz. Tie your hair in a loose braid or bun to prevent tangles and breakage while sleeping. By following these tips, you can keep your hair healthy, hydrated, and frizz-free throughout the humid, hot summer months. Stay blessed and stay tuned. Good luck.